Hey guys, good morning. So time is now 11:42 and I have this baby with me. So I'm pretty sure you guys would have seen it in other logs or even in YouTube channel. So this is the KTM 390 Adventure, which was customized and modified by Asura Garage, which is my friend's garage and owned by JB. So this bike in particular, guys, is way too different from the stock 390 Adventure. So this is a custom arrow or a custom exhaust. Has I don't think this is the right place to log, guys. Let me go to some place which is like a kind of quiet and peaceful. Give me a minute. Traffic, too much of traffic over here. So let me see where else I can go on vlog. I thought that particular place back there was quiet without much of a traffic, but then as soon as I started the vlog, quite a lot of traffic. So yeah, looks like this place should be fine. It's just to park and I'm gonna speak about the motorcycle. That is it. Okay. So guys, right in front of me, what you guys can see is the KTM 390 Adventure, which is customized exclusively by Asura Garage, which is in Bangalore, JP Nagar 9th phase. And the owner of this Asura Garage is my friend. His name is JB. We call him JB. So guys, if you see, this is one of a kind of adventure 390 motorcycle. It looks tall, has custom rims. So guys, I don't know whether you know it. So this was the first bike in Bangalore to have custom rims, which was done by JB himself. Yeah. So I know that you guys would be saying Art of Motorcycle sells this now, and also you get this particular thing or similar thing as a part of the KTM power parts. But then even before AOM or power parts was like available, this guy has customized it and he has done it for this particular motorcycle. So this is like loaded with lots and lots of accessories. He has carbon racing saddle stays. He has like their own customized crash guards. I don't know what is like running inside, whether he is like using unifilter, pre-filters or any other filters basically. But then guys, this bike is like really looking awesome. So this windshield, what you guys see, you don't get it in India. This is like a 790 Adventure windshield basically. And this is like having an awesome polycarbonate headlight protector. So he has HJC's fog lamps, racing fenders. So he has to cut the stock mudguard basically, but then bike looks so sexy. He has Blockbuster's handguards, he has ram mounts. So this is something which you would have seen it on my Tiger also. So he is using this, and I have planned to do the exact same setup for my mobile because it looks awesome. And again, this particular mirrors are not stock. I really don't know from where he got this mirror, or this mirrors are like of any other motorcycle, but yeah, this mirrors looks so cool. The only thing, guys, I mean, I would complain at this particular point in time, just because I came from a Tiger, is the bike's height. If you see, the height is pretty low, but the saddle height is there. And let me see. If I stand, you see, I have to hold over here, guys. I mean, I really have to hold over here and kind of look forward, and I have to ride. But apart from that, I mean, apart from that particular posture, everything looks fantastic. Absolutely no complaints. But let me do one thing. Let me take the bike for a spin, because I really wanted to experience this motorcycle before I actually go ahead and I purchase, so that I don't regret my decision at a later point in time. But as of now, to be very honest, this is the bike that I will go for. Has a decent amount of torque. Torque wise, there are like no issues with this motorcycle. But then let me pull it to the best if I can, and see how this motorcycle is like reacting. Okay, here is this. I have to jump. Okay, not bad. Fourth gear, it pulls like crazy. And it got me. Second, third. Not a bad bike, to be honest. Okay, let me stand and clear. Accelerate. Bike looks nice, bike rides nice. I think this guy has added custom graphics also on his tank. But I don't know why this bike keeps stalling. Maybe I'm not using enough revs, or is it because of I'm in wrong gear? But that is something which I need to get used to the motorcycle, to be honest. But otherwise, man, bike is fantastic. Bike is fantastic. No complaints about it. Perfect. Okay.